Welcome back. Welcome to our main event, Friday night showdown between Bisdak and Hotshot. And players from Bisdak for tonight, Orbase, Ormega, Odilao, Noban, Roy, Lexter Dakibil, Torrejos, and Bacanaya. And players for Hotshot, Gorospe, Corulio, Calea, Luzon, Acuña, Buntilao, and Pasaon. Ready to rumble! Alright, starting lineup for your Hotshot: Gorospe, Corulio, Calieja, Acuña, and Pasaon. Warning for technical Ormega. May binubulong si Rep Arvin. Starting lineup for your Bisdak, Bacanaya, Roy, Orbase, Ormega, and Mayman Torrejos. And once again, thank you to our officials for tonight. Kompleto tayo, Referee Sam, Referee Arvin, and Rep Seb. Full attendance. Tip up between Gorospe and Orbase. First possession. Backing violation. Bisdak ball.
Bisdak.
Bisdak ball. So first possession goes to Bisdak, Bacanaya, to Roy. Torrejos fade away, no good. Bacanaya rebound. But bola na ng Hotshot, out of bounds. Corulio Calieja to Pasaon. To Calieja Edward, Jupiter, no good. Rebound by Ormega. To Orbase. Orbase ang atake, jumper, basket, good for Ivan Orbase. Gorospe, taking time. Pasaon, fake, jumper, basket, good for Pasaon. All po, gandang simula. Roy with the ball to Torrejos. To Johnny, to Julian, Orbase, 6 seconds shot clock. Orbase, steal by Gorospe. Lilipad, Gorospe, no good. Rebound by Jorel Torrejos.
Pag-remind ng team bro na sila responsible ng tingin ng shot clock.
Torrejos. Jumper, no good. Gorospe, rebound. Reminder lang po dalawang teams, pa-check lang rin ang shot clock, pagay din ang team. Pasaon Calieja, no good. Bisdak ball. Score still remains at 2-2. Roy to Johnny for 3. No good. Tep Coronio with the rebound. Pasahol. Pasahol jumper. No good. Rebound by jump ball violation in favor of Bisdak. Possession arrow. Time remaining 6 minutes 53 seconds sa ating first quarter. Or base sumukat, masyadong malakas. Battle of the Verbs na nakuha ni Tep Curullo. Pasaol. Liam Pasaol. Jumper. No good. Rebound. Acuña. Acuña. Basket. Good. Jupiter Acuña. Torreos. Torreos with a fake. To Ormega. Johnny with the ball. To Roy. 12 seconds shot clock. Roy to Johnny. Last touch. Same ball. Natapik. Pangayanaya with the ball. Roy. Jumper. Basket. Good for Roy. Scores 4-4. In favor of, we have a tie ball game. Gorospe to Kalea. Kalea. Nice steal ni Junel. To Roy. But traveling violation. According to Rep Sam. Acuña inbound, Tep Curullo. Offensive foul, Tep Curullo. First personal. Time remaining 5 minutes, 6 seconds. Ormega to Roy. Roy jumper, no good. Battle of the boards, nakuha ni Orbase. Orbase matake, no good. Roy with the rebound. Roy, no good. Torres with the rebound. Supal pan ni Pasaol. To Gorospe.
Sintas ni Roy. Sintas ni Roy.
Acuña may basket good for Jupiter Acuña. Roy, sintas mo. Uniform Torres. Humingi na screen. Torres to Ormega. Nice steal ni Tep Curullo. To Francis Gorospe. But the steal ni Roy. Bounce pass to Orbase. Supalpan. Block by Gorospe. Pasaon. Umatake. Pasaon. Binali pa. Basket good for Tio Pasaon. 4-point lead. Hot shot. Roy with the ball. To Orbase for 3. No good. Gorospe rebound. Nice steal ni Roy. But out of bounds. Substitution rep. Buntilaw in. Tep Curullo out. Technical foul. Technical foul. One shot for Bisdak. Technical foul due to hot shot. Improper uniform. Pero shoutout sa ating gumawa ng Timaro District. Substitution rep. Basket good. Cholo Buntilaw in. Edward Calea out. Ang aking first round pick, Cholo Buntilaw.
Paano type it? Paano basket?
Liam to Grace, masyado malakas. Pang volleyball na ba to? Time remaining 2 minutes 23 seconds sa ating first quarter. Ormega dumidiskarte. Torreos di pa nakakapuan. Supal pala naman ni Jupiter. Mukhang napag-aralan ah. Cholo Buntilaw with the ball. To Diam. Diam pasoon, nabitawan. Bistak ball. Time remaining 1 minute 55 seconds sa ating first. Roy with the ball. To Janelle. Against Glenn. But there's a whistle. Foul number 22. Diam Pasol, first personal foul, first team foul. Substitution net. Luzon in. Acuña out. Orbasi inbound to Ormega. Balik kay Orbasi. To Roy. Orbasi. Sumukat ng 3. Ivan Orbasi. That 3-point is brought to you by Parico Cars. Chono to Glens. Glens to Gorospe. Babawe. No good. Rebound by Glens. Putila. Super foul after sa whistle. Foul number 30. Janelle Torres. First personal foul. First team foul. 2 shots for Glens Buntilaw. Basket good. Two out of 2 for Glens Buntilaw. Hot shot with the lead. 10-8. Johnny to Janelle. Nice steal ni Diam. Pasaon. Umaatake all the way. No good. Orbasi with the rebound. Cholo with the Glens Buntilaw with the steal. Basket good for Cholo Buntilaw. Assisted by Glenn. 4-point lead ang hot shot. Nagkakaasawaan na po sa loob. Orbase, fake. Orbase jumper. No good. Cholo with the rebound. There's a steal, but same ball. 26 seconds sa ating first quarter. Pasaon. Ka-screen, pasaon. Bumomba, no good. Gorospe. There's a whistle. Foul number 14. Roy. That's your first personal foul. Second team foul. 2 shots for Francis Gorospe. Basket good. No good. Battle of the boards. Nakakuha ni Kuya Tinoy. Nakakuha ni Jude. Ang bola. Glenn Buntilaw. Tinapit. Buntilaw with the ball. 6 seconds. Buntilaw matake. No good. Skying high. Nakakarino ang bola. And that's the end of the first quarter. Ano ang buko? First quarter ends with 13. Hot shot. Bistak. 8. Once again, nagpapasalamat po tayo sa ating sponsors and supporters. Parico Cars, AIL Insurance, STH Immigration, Aces Jerseys, sa ating championship shirt na malapit ang makita in 2 weeks time. And BIP and CBRA. And announcement lang po, tomorrow magkikita po ulit tayo. TFBC Superliga All-Star Game, North versus South. Ang ating uniform, ang North All-Stars, please wear dark jersey. At ang South All-Stars, your light jersey. Ang ating Superliga jersey. Superliga jersey tayo para maganda tayo sa picture taking bukas. Start of second quarter. Cholo with the ball to DM for 3. No good. Roy with the rebound. Roy to Lexter, fresh from the bench, to Orbase, Orbase to Julian, to Lexter, to Orbase, shot clock to 6 seconds, Lexter, fake pass with speed, Johnny, to Mirantes, to Palpay,
Good.
basket, good basket, good basketball, Pasaon jumper, no good, battle with the boards, same ball. Same ball. Cholo with the inbound. Cholo for 2. No good. Roy, rebound. Roy. Same ball. His duck ball. Orbase to Roy. Roy, nice steal pero nakuha ni Glenn sa bola to Cholo. Traveling violation. Kitang-kita sa 2020 vision ni Kuya Seb. 5-point lead pa rin po ang hot shot. Orbase for 3. No good. Rebound by Gorospe. Towering rebound. Pasaol. So make way, Pasaol, basket for Tiam, Pasaol. 7-point lead ang hot shot. 8 minutes remaining. Lexter to Roy against Cholo. To Jonel. Double team, Jonel. Short, pero nakuha ni Gorospe ang rebound. Gorospe, gustong lumipad. Bumangga, no good. No ball. Torres with a ball. Jonel Torres, babawi. Jonel, first basket for Jonel Torres. 5-point lead ang hot shot. Diam to Gorospe for 3, no good. Rebound by Jonel. Lexter with the ball against Pasaol. To Jonel. Orbase with a fake against Jupiter. Who's correct? Time out! Hot shot. Foul number 25. 7. First personal foul. First tip out.
Okay.
10 na 10. 1 to 2.
Kalimutan ko na. Wala na akong practice ah.
Hindi nga pala. Pag limahin ka.
Oo, yun. Kaya nakaka-practice sa salamin ah. Kaya ako eh. Kailangan talagang makapito.
Ano yung once natin.
Oo.
Kasi sa right. 1 to 3 po. Para maisip mo butahin.
Okay, back to the ball game.
Ilan tayo matang hot shot? Bistak. Tuto pa na.
Sa ball both teams, may timeout pa tayo. One timeout hot shot, Bisdak. I think 2 timeouts pa. Choyo Dilaw. So Dilaw to next. Against Pason. Cholo. Same ball.
3 seconds. 3 seconds.
3 seconds remaining. Shot clock. Or pass it. 2 seconds. 1 second. Naputuan. 24.